Hey guys, it's me, the Natural Cole, your how-to resource for natural hair, and welcome to my YouTube channel and happy 2019. This is my first video of the year and it's going to be an update video about the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Peppermint Castile Soap Shampoo that I've been using for over the past year to remove product buildup from my natural hair. The reason why I decided to do this video is because recently I've been going through some of my old videos and reading comments. And I noticed that this particular video had a lot of comments. You guys were asking a lot of questions about the shampoo. So I decided to, why not, just make a video and answer your questions. And if you have not seen that video, I will leave a card indication up here in the corner of this video that you can click on and you can watch that previous video. So this is what the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Castile soap looks like. This is the bottle. You can get this from Whole Foods. I've seen it at Walgreens. I've seen it at CVS. And you can also buy it on Amazon, which I'll leave the link in the description box where you can buy this from Amazon if you wish to, if you don't like going to the store, because I know whenever I can buy something on Amazon, I am always shopping on Amazon. So let's go ahead and jump into these questions. The first question that I want to address, someone asked, is Castile soap safe to use on natural hair? And guys, like I say, I've been using this product for over a year and I haven't had any issues. I was also reading in my cosmetology book where before, detergent shampoos hit the market in 1930, people used Castile soap and just other types of soap to shampoo their hair. And I know that to be true because I did an interview with my mom. She's an older lady. And you know what? It was a blog post. I'll be sure to link that below as well. And I was asking her what type of products was she using to do her hair with before shampoos and conditioners came out. And she said they were just using regular lard soap. So if they used it back in the day and we can still use it now, I don't see anything wrong with using the Castile soap. Now, I will say that this soap, it's made with a lot of organic oils. You have your organic jojoba oil, your hemp seed oil, your olive oil, and things like that. And that's why I think that this makes this soap a little bit more gentler on your hair. Another question was, someone wanted to know if I use this, when I use a shampoo, do I dilute it? No, I do not dilute the shampoo, even though on the Dr. Bronner's website, it does say that you can dilute it, but I wash my hair in the shower. So I wash my hair in sections, only just take a few drops of the soap, and I'm washing my hair in the shower, and the water from the shower is going to help dilute that soap. So it's up to you if you want to put the soap in a bottle and then dilute it and then shampoo your hair. That's totally up to you. One person wanted to know, is it safe to use this shampoo every day? For me, I use this shampoo once every 3 to 4 months to remove product buildup from my hair. Now, it's up to you if you want to use this shampoo every day. And maybe it's okay if if your hair produces a lot of oils. If you have like oily scalp, oily hair, then it may be okay to use this product every day or 2 or 3 times a week. But when I use it every 3 to 4 weeks, I always follow up with my regular shampoo and then I do a deep condition. The shampoo doesn't necessarily strip your hair, but it does make it squeaky clean. And I feel like it is mandatory to back it up with a moisturizing shampoo and then your deep conditioning shampoo so you can put moisture back in your hair. Another question was, does this shampoo help to revert damaged hair? Ladies, no, it does not. This is not any type of miracle shampoo, okay? If you have some type of damage from heat, or if you've been pulling on your hair too much, if you've been doing too many twist outs or braid outs and you stretched your curl pattern, that means you just simply you've reverted the pattern of your hair. And you may have to gradually snip the hair until all that straight hair has been cut off. From what I know, there is not a product on the market that can revert damaged hair. I have not seen it. From what I've been studying about hair and the science of hair, once your curl pattern has been altered, you have to do something to manipulate that. Like if your hair is stretched out, then you may have to like do a roller set, use perm rods to get that curl definition back. Or you can just simply cut your hair and let your natural curls flourish. So there's not a miracle shampoo on the market, so don't fall for the gimmicks. And I'm just being honest, okay? Another person asked, let me look at my notes here. Oh, another person wanted to know, does this product leave a scent on your hair? No, it does not leave a scent on your hair. This is peppermint. It is peppermint all up and through this shampoo. And when you wash your hair, you can feel your scalp. It just feels like it's really getting clean. You can feel the tingling sensation. And I will say that if you have sinus issues, or if you're, washing your hair one day and you're really not feeling good, this peppermint soap will make you feel alive and it will help clear up those sinuses. Trust me. So those are just a few questions that I wanted to come on here and answer about the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Castile soap. Like I say, I've been using this product over a year. I really like it. Not only can you shampoo your hair with it, you can bathe with it, you can shower with it, you can wash your clothes with it, you can clean your kitchen with it. It is a truly 18-in-1 soap. It has 18 uses, this one bottle. So ladies, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions about this soap, please leave them in the comments below. Once again, I will be sure to link where you can find this product on Amazon. Be sure to subscribe to the Natural Code channel. Be sure to share this video that may help someone else. And be sure to turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified when I update new videos. So ladies, once again, this is the Natural Code, and I'll see you next time.